Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are looking out for DIY ideas to do for your baby's birthday, then you're watching the right video, because here I'm going to share 5 such simple DIYs which can be used for any birthday party of any theme. So without any further ado, let's get started. Idea number 1 is to create a 3D centerpiece for your baby's birthday. It can be your baby's initial, or it can be name letters, or it can be number as well, like 1, 2, 3, etc. Last year for my baby's first birthday, I tried creating number 1 in a 3D model. I found it a bit difficult, so this time I want to try something different. So I got this paper march board from Itsy Bitsy. If you haven't seen my Itsy Bitsy shopping haul video still, then please do check out. Link is there in description and also on cards. This paper march I got for 99 rupees. You will get several letters here. You can choose any. You can also form your baby's name using these letters. So using paper march, you can give any theme for your baby's birthday. If in case your baby's birthday is princess theme, you can color it with pink. You can design it any way you like. Here my baby's birthday theme is Mickey Mouse, so I tried giving red and black combo. Here I painted the paper march letter with red color acrylic paint, and then to give that Disney look, I gave a polka dots look using hot glue gun sticks, and it turned out really beautiful, and I'm really happy with it. I hope you like this idea. Before moving on to idea number 2, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed still. There is also a bell icon. Please click onto that icon only, then you will receive notifications whenever I post any videos. Now let's check out idea number 2. The next thing which you can try out is making a signboard. Signboard can be anything, like denoting your baby's first birthday or second birthday, or it can be baby's initial or name as well. So here I have taken a canvas board of size 5x5. You can take a larger size board as well, but I feel this size is apt for table decor, especially for home birthday parties. And as my baby's birthday theme is Mickey Mouse, I tried giving it a Mickey Mouse look, and the sign which I mentioned here is 2, which means my baby's second birthday, and I gave the same color combination, and it really turned out beautiful. Do try this idea. It's very simple and attractive. The next idea is to design a centerpiece for the table. It is the best DIY to do because it's simple and very attractive as well. So for doing this DIY, all you need is a glass container or any plastic container of any size. It all depends on you. Here I took a toothbrush container which I got from Miniso, and using the colors like acrylic colors, I painted the entire container with red, yellow and black as per the theme. I also had these toppers which I got from Ibaco when I got cakes, and it was all matching, so I was okay with it, except the blue one because I wanted to give it red. So I just used some sketch pen and I colored it as red. And then this Mickey Mouse soft toy I already had with me, so using toothpick and straw, I tried placing them in the container, but just to give the proper height, I placed some newspapers first, and then I kept those toppers. It turned out to be so beautiful. I hope that you guys also liked it. The next idea is something different. I never thought I'll be implementing this idea until I saw these letters on Itsy Bitsy, so all thanks to them. So basically these are MDF letters, and each one is 20 rupees. You get all alphabets, and you get all numbers, so you can easily do some DIYs with these letters. So I thought I'll do a bunting banner with these letters, so I started painting it out. And then when I wanted to implement the bunting banner idea, it did not work for me. But anyways, I'll show you like what all I did. So I took a red color chart paper and I traced circle on it, and I made sure that I got some 7 to 8 papers after cutting it out, and using hot glue gun I just pasted those letters on the circles which I had with me. And then using a punch holder, using a puncher, I just punched a hole so that I'll form a beautiful bunting banner. But when I tried placing it on wall, those letters were very small. My wall was actually big, so it did not suit the entire decoration. So what I did, I simply placed those letters which I made on the table. I mentioned my baby's name here, Zohan, and this was also fine for me, and it was something different. I liked it. Do let me know if you liked it or not. So the last idea is something which is really helpful and useful. Yes, it's a topper design. So I have this MDF board with me. This is a number board indicating 2, as it's my baby's second birthday. I have used 2 here, and I painted it with red and black just to give the theme. And also I got this machine cutout in the letter Z indicating Zohan. So this is a beautiful cutout. I think I got this for 32 rupees or 29 rupees. I don't remember exactly. To check out my video to know. So I painted it with red and black again, and I just loved this. So I'm going to use these 2 toppers for cakes. One is for cake and the other one is for cupcakes, and it turned out really beautiful. I'm not going to expose the entire clip of the cake because I have kept it as a surprise for the next video, which is going to be a vlog video. So guys, that's it. Those were the ideas. I really hope that you found them interesting. Also, I'm sharing a very small glimpse of the next video, which is going to be out very soon, and it is Zohan's birthday vlog. So please don't miss out that video. Thanks for all your love. Keep supporting. See you in another video soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz.